Hello, good day. Angelo Santos here, one of the support team here in Groove Digital. So today I will show you how you can link a button to a specific block on your pages. This also applies if you have navigation bars and you would create an external link and connect it to the blocks on your page. So in order to do that, you need to just this will be a bit tricky because the HTML source code editor is removed on the feature. So what you can do is to count the blocks on your page in order to locate which block you should connect it to the button. So for this tutorial, this will be the block that we will connect our button. So this is the appointment. So what we need to do is to count how many blocks we have before this actual block here. So let's say this navigation here, if I click this, you can see that this is a block. So it is counted as one. Next would be this section here, and this is counted as two. The next thing is here, number three. This is number four, and this is number five, this section. This is number six, number seven, number eight, number nine, and this one is the block number 10. So now we have counted that um, there are 10 blocks up to this point. So we need to connect it to this button. Now, to connect it, just click this pencil icon on the button. Now, go to the configure section and you should set the text and link to. You have the option here to select the block and then select the number of the block that that's counted. So when we count the block, it is located at the block number 10. So let's just hit update and that's it. That's how you can connect the block. And you can also do that on this side. Go here, schedule a call, and then link to the block. This is number 10 and all the buttons you want to connect. So let's just try also update this one. Okay. And let's just try that. Let's just publish it. And let's wait for the green indication on this area. So let's just wait for it is already updating 20%. So let's just wait for the green indication. It will take a while to do so because I believe I have multiple pages on this site. So yep, I believe I have many sites here. So let's just wait for the green indication here. Once that is on up, that will make our site working. So let's just wait for I believe 5 seconds. 2, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So if you guys have this issue, you just need to wait until you have this green confirmation here. Sometimes if you have plenty of pages created on your site, publishing may really take time because it will publish all the pages you have on your site. So if you have concern that your publish is having time, so as you can see, I have now my site is now in has this information. So you just really need to wait until you see the green indication here, there. And then let's just go on the actual page we have. So if I hover on this button, you will see that there is a code there. And also on this side, oh, this is not updated. Let's just refresh this one. I have hover it. You will see that there is link on that side. So if I click on the schedule call, you will see that I am redirected to